Hello and welcome back. Today we have this Olympiad question. If 5 raised to power a is equal to 6 raised to power b, then we have to find 25 raised to power a by b plus 36 raised to power b by a. So let's get started. It is given that 5 raised to power a is equal to 6 raised to power b. We are going to multiply the powers of both sides by 1 over b. So this b and b cancel out. We have 5 raised to power a by b is equal to 6. Let's name this equation as equation 1. Again, 5 raised to power a is equal to 6 raised to power b. Now this time we are going to multiply the powers of both sides by 1 over a. And this a cancel out. We have 6 raised to power b by a is equal to 5. Let's name this equation as equation 2. We have to find 25 raised to power a by b plus 36 raised to power b by a. We know that 25 is 5 square raised to power a by b plus 36 is 6 square raised to power b by a. We can write this as 5 raised to power a by b whole square. Similarly, 6 raised to power b by a whole square. From equation 1, we know the value of this. This is equal to 6 square. And the value of this from equation 2 is 5 square. 6 square is 36, 5 square is 25. Adding both, we get 61. This is the final and required answer. I hope it is clear to you. If you have any query, write in the comment box. Don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching.